Welcome to Reminder Jesus right. Let's pray. We thank God for this opportunity to look at quick moves in the market and maximum profit as possible. Amen. Okay, let's take a look at what's going on in the market right now. We have a very nice trend in market. Market has this bullish move up and came back to touch this second time and came back the third time and it broke through. And we have a breakout trade right here and it is still in actions as we can see right now. That's a quick move that we love to see in the market, and we love to see the trending market also as well, despite not being more in the market, but it does happen as well. So how do we get into that trending market? We see the first touch and we wait for the second touch. Then you can see the market was very bullish and created resistance at this level, and you can see the second touch again and win and touch again. Never make any lower low, keep on being the same level, but it may get a very high here, breaking that resistance level right here, went up and came back to the same level, and we draw a trend line right up and seeing the touch and it got broken, and we see the market flew up to the same level again and 10 down to hit the same level again, and it break through. You can see, I think this is very simple. With our indicators in combination with it, we can see clearly this is kind of a top, two tops, but one is a little bit higher than the other, which may probably not be clear to see, but it is a top or top. I can define it that way. If I can see this is the second top, this is the first top here. It's not really clear, it's not going to be exactly all the time, but here we are, we know that it is exactly that a structure that we are seeing right here. When we see the breakout, we wait to see our confirmation right there, and we're seeing the confirmation right here, and we jumping in to make a quick profit, because you can see clearly our oscillator at the bottom also say that the market is about to sell off, and we take a trade based on those simple rules. Let's take a look at what happened previously. We have a trending market in the previous days, previous hours. We do have a sideways market moves in the market, as we can see clearly that the market actually previously have a resistance at this level, and have a support at this level, and have a resistance at the top here, and the market was actually going sideways. So what do? We just waiting patiently to see if we can see something touch a couple of times. So if we can clearly look, we can see that there is a huge sell out here, and we look at our oscillator. Is this market selling off? Can this thing guide us to get into quick profit? And when we saw the market, it took a little while, but we hit our quick profit. Yeah, and we wait to see what's happening. And we love this close 10 in market point. Market 10 here and 10 quickly here. And we jump in on this one. And this one didn't bring the 1 is to 1.5, but we wait and take some small profit because the market 10 right there, and it 10 completely. The market wasn't moving at all. So we get out of that trade with some small profit. And after that, we see the market candlestick increase a little bit to show sellout moves, and oscillator at the bottom also showing that yes, the market is about to sell, and we jump in that market also as well, and we were able to make 1 is to 1.5 on that trade as well. And we see the market from then shows a huge sellout, and after that it ended up being a bullish candle. You can see it, and this is also a good point telling us that the market is about to get bullish, and we buy the market. We were not able to make 1 to 1.5, but we take some small profit and get out of that trade as well. And before that, we have a very good market looks, and here we go. The market have a very good looks that we have this touch here, and everything got a line up. All our indicators are confirming the market is about to get bullish. This huge bullish candle, and we're seeing the market doing that. We buy the market on that, and we take a very long time to hit that, but we wait for that, and we wait to see the market. They have a few touches. This is the first touch and making lower lows, and we can see went back to the same level again. We're looking for a sellout candle, and this is the sellout candle, and we get into the market on this one right here. And we wait for a while again. We didn't buy the market. We wait to see this sellout, huge sellout again at the same resistance level. This is a huge sellout, and we saw the market to make the profit right there. And here we have a very good market. Market have its support level at the bottom here, and we're seeing that touches. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for our first touch, and this is our second touch, a little bit higher than that, but this is a confirmation candle. And you can see our indicator also saying the market has got a little bit exhausted and it's about to get bullish. Since we scalped in the 5 minute, we want something real quick. We jump on that one also, and you went on very well. And after that, we're seeing the market having the double top moves again, looking like a head and shoulder pattern. But you can see clearly that this was the first market thinning and make it a little high. Here it is, and make it a little low. So we may call this maybe head and shoulder pattern. But here we go. We're looking for a sellout candle so we can sell in, and we wait to see it, because here it is, have this huge sellout, and went back a little higher than that to bring a little bit of confusion. But we wait to see what is going to happen. We will probably take our first sell here, but we probably went back and touch our take us off. But we put our stop loss at the right place, a little bit higher than the previous high, and it went very well. We were able to make the 1:1.5 on that trade as well. And this is a previous update. From that point that we do have a support level at this level, market came back to that level a little bit, and this could also be a potential trade that we may probably be able to make 1:1.5 or even less than that, because we have two turning points close to each other. We may probably get out of the second turning point. And here we go, market went a little bit lower than that, but after that went back to the same level again. We wait and see that this is it, and this gives us confirmation, the first turning point right here. And we wait and see this again. We know the market is going to get bullish, so we buy the market on that, and we were able to make some profit there. Let's take a quick look at what's going on in the market right now, and we should see the market is still resting right there. We will probably wait and see if the market rest here and go sideways a little bit and turn quickly here. Then we will probably take a buy, because the market is still bullish, can still continue its bullish moves. But if not, then we wait for a little push up and have a huge sellout, and we may probably sell the market as well. But for here, we're looking for a buy for now. Okay, that is what's going on right now. And we see the market thinning here, and we're looking for this market to have a quick thin, have a bullish candle a little bit higher than this previous one, and then we will buy the market. That is what we waited to see, but it may probably take a little long time, or maybe right now. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do follow.